Upskill is a software company that's headquartered in Northern Virginia, and then endearingly our HQ2 in Austin, Texas, that builds software for industrial augmented reality applications. And we are one of the oldest companies actually that's in the space, having done this starting in 2010. The fundamental use cases that we serve under our Skylight platform, and that's people that are making, moving, and maintaining or servicing a product. The value that people get on Skylight and on the HMT is split into qualitative benefits as well as quantitative benefits. From a quantitative benefit, a lot of it comes down to us being able to help the hands-on worker make decisions faster and do it more accurately. And typical productivity gains of 30%, first-time quality rates of 100%. And then from the qualitative benefit, one of the things that we really focus on is being able to bring the digital enterprise to the hands-on workforce. And we mean that to the entire hands-on workforce. And what that means is people are able to go and work more effectively, plan more effectively, collaborate, as well as train more effectively.